I'm done reading them all, then sure.
According to,
I need another 3 minutes to finish them, and then you can answer whatever you like. But Terry's going first, and you only did 4 people now, so.
okay, Terry, you
Terry will be 5.
We can't answer any of these executive
They're still in
questions.
15 minutes. We'll get another 15.
Tell her that.
there's a second participation.
That's squashed up.
I
Yes,
know.
there is.
Then they want to answer the question.
Okay, I guess this is my only opportunity to address the board with regard to the petition circulating to increase the number of trustees from 5 to 7. It's due on March 18th. It will have sufficient and excess of 135 not registered, eligible voters. I'm trying to get the terminology right. So this is really the only opportunity I have to speak with the board before you vote, seeing how where the comment period falls. I wouldn't have a chance to comment at the next Board of Ed meeting before you vote. So I do know from our discussion last 2 weeks ago, 2 members of the board have voiced their disagreement with the petition. However, I urge the 5 of you to allow the issue to be decided by the taxpayers of the district. The petition only gets it on the ballot, and I'd like to put it to the taxpayers to say yes or no whether they feel that 7 board members is the best for Connecticut. So if it is passed and the number of Board of Ed seats are increased to 7, the 2 additional seats must be filled during a special election, as Andrea had stated at the last meeting. We went deep into the education law, and there is no choice. If we were a different type of district, it would be on the next year, but we're not that type of district. So we also hoped that there was another option, but there's not. And unfortunately, this petition or approval of 2 additional board members will incur a non-budgeted cost of approximately $23,000.
That's inaccurate. We did a cost analysis, it's going to be more like $45,000.
Could I get a breakdown of that, please? Would that be possible? Yes, of course. Okay.
So what is that, 2 100ths?
So $43,000, which is a one-time cost, but it's not a budgeted line item because it's a one-time, and the budget would already have been passed or defeated, I should say. And so that's not really an issue with regard to the budget. But when we look at our $180 million budget, it's a mere,
Now is it 2
like,
100ths?
less than, I'll put it this way, less than 0.1% of our budget.
0.5 seconds.
And also the 2 positions are filled by volunteers. They're not paid positions, which a lot of the residents of the district aren't really aware of. So my opinion is that the 7 members of the board will benefit the district through the collaboration of 2 more individuals with 2 more sets of knowledge skills. For a district our size, budgets and number of students also have been, for districts that are our size, and our budget, did I step out of time?
Yes.
Did I really?
Yes. You can finish your sentence.
Okay. Basically, I've spoken to other Board of Ed trustees. I've also worked on boards as small as 3 and as large as 9. And I've been in charge of those boards. And the more people there are, the more help you find, the more knowledge you have, and the more gets done.
Thank you.
So having more members allow growth for the biggest benefit to the community, and I'd like it to be put to the voters to feel if they think it is worth it.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you.